Biypod is a Shopify fulfillment platform with a built-in product customizer that lets you and your customers design in real time. We handle production, packing, inventory, shipping, and delivery, so you focus on one thing: selling. We'll start at the header. Compare free versus starter versus creator plans. Check the product title. Move to the canvas to hover and click parts. Switch views. Cover save. Add to cart. Then demo the cart core tools like the color base, text, photo, element search, AI, and the color panel, including hex and eyedropper. So let's start. Section 1, Header. Logo by plan plus product title. Okay, so this is the header. You'll see here the Biypod logo and then the product title. On the product title, you can see customize men's low-top leather sports sneakers. That is because that is the product that we're going to customize right now. And then on the left, this is the Biypod logo. You have 3 plans. For the free plan, you will see the Biypod logo as default because that is for testing and demos purposes only. Now, on starter plans, Biypod branding is removed. As you can see here, it is going to be a clean white label look. The customizer blends into your stores. Switching to the creator plan, on our example, we will use Starbucks logo and their hex color. Creator plans gets to brand the customizer, change the name. Like for example, you will see the Starbucks and then the Starbucks logo. And then it's looking at the add to cart, and then on the save button, they are color green. Section 2, Canvas Basics, hover and click. Now to the canvas, you can hover any customizable pieces, so it highlights. You can click to select it. Notice the subtle blue state confirming it's active. Section 3, Views Switchings. You can click on all of these views on the left and on the sidebar of the canvas. In this example, you can see the combinations. On this one, you will see the back view. On this one, you will see the side view. And you will also have the views for the 45-degree angle shots of the shoe, and even a model wearing the specific product. Section 4. The Save button is on the top right corner. Currently, you can't click it because you don't have any designs yet. The design will be saved on the Shopify account of your customers, or if the merchant is the one using the customizer, it will be saved on your designs page. Section 5. Add to cart. So the add to cart here is only usable by the customers. When they hit an add to cart, the product will be added onto their cart along with the design's properties. Section 6. Tool Summary Bar. You can see the add text, the add photo, add element, the A button, the color panel, and then the color base. Section 7, Color Base Swap. Some products has different color bases, and on this example, you have 2 color base, white and then black. You will notice that preview and all of the canvases change. Section 8, Design Demo. Add text. Select any piece and then I'll hit Add Text. You'll notice that it says on the placeholder Start Typing. You can go ahead and type anything. I'll type in Biypod. And you'll also notice that there are sub-tools at the top. There is a Delete button, the Bring to Front, Send to Back, Duplicate, Font Family, the Bold, Italic, and then the underline. Let's try changing the font. As you can see, the font has been changed. I can also switch to bold, italic, and then underline it. You can also see that there are visible stretching buttons here, wherein you can do a stretch and then reduce the sizing, or you can also rotate it. You can also use the duplicate to add more. Now there's 2 of them. I can switch the colors using the toolbar at the bottom. I can also use the layering here, and I can also delete that. Section 9, Design Demo, Add Photo plus Copy and Paste. Moving on to the Add Photo button, you can reselect again different pieces and then click on Add Photo. That will open up your photo library, and then you can choose any photo you have. I will use this dog right now. And then on this photo, you can resize it. You can also rotate it and then place it anywhere you may like. You can also use your keyboard shortcut, which is copy and paste. You'll just have to hit copy, and then you can paste it anywhere you want it. Section 10, Design Demo, Add Element, Search. Moving on to the Add Element, click on Add Element, and you'll notice here that you have any elements available. You can click on Vector to see vector photos, and then Photo for realistic photos here. You can also use the search bar. I'll search for cute dogs, and then you can feel free to choose anything here. It will then get added onto the specific piece that you initially selected. Section 11, Design Demo, AI. On the AI button, you can click on it, and then it will open, wherein you can type any prompt you may want. I'll prompt it cute dogs, and then you'll hit generate. Once it's generated, you can now then apply it, and then I'll just copy this again, paste here so that I'll have 2 dogs on the design. Section 12, Color Panel, Hex plus Eyedropper. You can also change any color of the specific pieces by clicking on it and then using Color Tool Panel to choose any color you wanted. You can also click on this and then type any hex you wanted. For example, you have a branding logo or a branding color, or if you wanted to use just the eyedropper. You can also see any predefined color here, and there you have it. You have now fully designed a shoe with a lot of dogs, and you can check your other views by clicking on the other view panel. You can also click on the color base to check if what does it look like on the white version of the shoe. So just to recap, we covered the header, branding it for free, starter, and then creator. We also tackled about navigating on the canvas with hover and clicks, switch views, save the design, add to cart, and we also designed it using the add text, photo, element, AI, and precise color tools. In the next video, I'll walk through saving flows step by step and add to cart behaviors in more details, so your designs hand off to check out cleanly. Install Biypod for free on the Shopify App Store. Link is on the description. Comment which product you want me to customize next. We'll have a session to design a cool pattern with any product.
Dropshipping, print on demand. Hey, that's Biypod.